Hey YouTubers, welcome to Southwest Desert Farming. I'm Michael and Stacey's inside. She's not feeling too well right now because the way this wind has been kicking up, her allergies have been bothering her, but I figured I better get out here and do some things because you can see, even though it's a little windy in that beautiful mountain behind me there. Anyways, I talked to you earlier about a shed that I got as a second-hand job, and I had to take it apart to get it reinforced and put back together, on top of being able to move it by myself. I did use the tractor to pull it off, but as I'm putting it back together, I figured I'd use the bottom sides of the boards up on the floor because those seem to be in better shape and they're not quite as weathered due to water and all that other stuff. Hopefully out here in the desert we don't get as much water, so we won't have too much of a problem. But as a temporary storage building for some of my stuff inside, so I can start building some better shelves for storing our goods and things and wood chips that we want to sell, we needed something out here. Anyways, one of the things that most of the time you'll use a nail gun with some ring shank nails that seem to hold really tight. The problem with this is the wood had been out in the weather a little bit already and was extremely bowed in a couple of places. So what I ended up having to do is use some of these nice construction screws to help get down the gaps. Some of them I'll leave in place because might as well have a little bit of extra strength to it. But anyways, there you have it. I know I said something about getting a little bit more on this project so that you can see what's going on. Again, I'm Michael for Southwest Desert Farming, and yeah, we haven't done too much farming on this yet, but there's more to come. Like I said, we're starting off early in this whole farming thing and homesteading thing, so hopefully you're learning as we're learning, and I get a few comments here and there, and I do appreciate those comments. So hopefully, here's a shout out to Norm. Hopefully not a lot of ums this time. Anyways, you come back out and see us sometime, and thank you for watching.